Hello, this is going to be a short instructional video regarding data collection. Data collection requests are growing and more lenders are using raw data for a number of reasons. So this is another good service to offer and it can be done profitably. And it's in our best interest to be as efficient as possible. And what I mean by that is delivering the product electronically rather than printing it out and faxing it in. That's a waste of paper and ink and fax if there's a cost there. So what this video is going to do is show you step by step how to download a few programs off the internet and be able to print your data and deliver it electronically. So I'm basically going to walk you through step by step how to deliver this data electronically, and so rather than have your data look like this, and this is actually some of the better fax copies, we're going to have data that looks like this. So this one is much more likely to receive future orders for data than this, for obvious reasons. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step, and let's get to it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is download a couple of programs that are going to allow us to print the PDF for free, and you can download them from cnet.com. This is a very reputable site. Companies, large companies use it, small companies, government uses it to download programs from. So you're not going to get any viruses, malware, anything like that when you download from this site. It's very safe. So the first program we want to download is just go to cnet.com and just search for Qt PDF, and you can see right here this is what we want. There's a couple other there's thousands of PDF writers. This is the one that I found that works best for this particular process. So you can download it from here. You can go to their website and download it there. Either way, just make sure you're downloading Qt PDF Writer. So let's go ahead and do it. And we're going to install it. Okay, now what it's asking me to do is if I want to download the file or run it from where it's at. This is the installation program, so I don't necessarily need to install that or to download that. I'm just going to run it from where it's at, and then it's going to install Qt PDF Writer on my machine, and then I won't have to delete anything later. Okay, so we want to run the program. Yes, we do. Okay, now the Qt wizard, we just go ahead, we accept. What this is going to do is it's just going to install, it's going to look like another printer on your it's going to look like another printer basically. So I would uncheck all of these. And this is not something you're going to have to do every time. This is something you're going to download once and install it and then use it. Even though I have Adobe, I use Qt PDF when I'm doing data collection just because it works better. It does some things that I like better. One, it prints faster. Two, it doesn't give you those PDF exchange stamps up in the corner that sometimes cover up pertinent data. And then also I have Adobe set as it is. I think it's a default setting. It opens up the document when you're done printing it. And for this purpose, we don't need to do that. And I know there's a setting in there somewhere, but when I use Adobe, I do want it to do that. So I leave Adobe for other things, but not for when I'm pulling data. Okay. Would you like to set up the program and install? Yes. I want to install that converter. Okay. Okay, it's going to install that. So this is the page we're going to see when we're done. And right now, if we go to Settings and Printers, okay, there's Qt PDF Writer. Just looks like another printer in my series of printers. So that's done. The next program we're going to install, we don't even have it up here. It's called PDF Creator. And here's the site. This is the one you want, PDF Forge. We're going to download PDF Creator, but again, we're 8 software results. Okay, so this is the one we're going to want. Even though there are others with similar names, you can see there's a space there. This is the PDF Creator we want, and just make sure it's PDF Creator from PDF Forge. So, and I'll show you where, you see, from PDF Forge, which basically you can go to the website and download it here if you want. I think that's when first time I did it, that's the way I did it. But let's go ahead and download this program. And again, this is just the installation program. You can download that to your computer and then run it from there, but I just assume run it from where it's at, since it's not a program that I'm going to need after it's done installing. Okay, so we're going to run the installation program. We'll go with English. Next, accept. Standards fine. PDF Creator. Okay, and I don't want a toolbar. Okay, go ahead and install all that. And just a desktop icon. These are all, you can just keep these standard settings. Install it. Okay, and we've finished installing. Finish. And this should also look like a print engine. Yes, it does. So even though it does look like a print engine, we're not going to use it as a printer.